How to contact Agoda customer service. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can contact Agoda customer service. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is you can head over to Agoda. So you can use the app or the website, it's completely up to you. So open up Agoda, and after you do that, you can log in into your account. So after you do that, you will then need to head over to your profile that is on the bottom right. So let me just go through this here and tap on more that is on the bottom right. It looks like your profile icon. And after you tap on it, you'll then need to scroll down. So scroll down and under information, you'll find an option that says Help Center. So tap on Help Center and it might take some time to load, but while this loads, you can head down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So there we go. Now, this is basically the customer service here. What you can do is you can actually just go through any problems here. If you have any problems, you can find that problems and you can find its solutions here as well. So here you can see a lot of different options. So if you just scroll around, you can simply in most cases find the solution for your problem. But if that's not the case, you can tap on Contact Agoda customer service right here. And after that, you will be able to contact with them. You can chat with them and yeah, they will get back to you and help you solve your issue. And that's how you contact Agoda. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.